Today the story is about Benny the bear and the hiccup bird. One sunny morning, Benny the little bear was walking happily through the bright green forest. The flowers were blooming, butterflies fluttered in the air, and the warm sun shone through the tall trees. Suddenly, Benny heard a strange sound coming from above. Tweet! Benny looked up toward the branches. There, sitting on a wobbly little branch, was Milo, the tiny bluebird. Milo was trying very hard to sing a beautiful song, but every time he opened his beak to sing, a little hiccup popped out instead. Benny couldn't help but giggle. "Oh dear," said Benny kindly, "those hiccups are stopping your song." Poor Milo looked worried and flapped his wings. "I just want to sing." Benny thought for a moment. Then he had a funny idea. "Maybe a big deep breath will help," Benny said. So Milo took the biggest breath a tiny bird could take. He puffed up his chest, closed his eyes, and then, tweet, 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 the hiccups were gone. Milo sang the sweetest song in the whole forest. The trees rustled happily, the butterflies danced in the air, and Benny the bear smiled from ear to ear. "Thank you